Hi, I'm Steve Davis from Living History UK, and if you're wondering what Living History UK is, we are essentially a social media channel, and we celebrate all things British military history and beyond. And why am I here with this fabulous building behind me? Well, this is Moira Furnace, and we are here at the epicentre, the halfway point of the Living History UK Festival. So the Living History UK Festival, taking place 22nd, 23rd of April this year, of course. And it celebrates the story and tells a story of the British soldier from the English Civil War all the way through to Iraq and Afghanistan. And it's a potted history from the English Civil War, with encompassing the American Revolutionary War, Napoleonic Wars, Crimean Wars, World War I, World War II and beyond. And it gives you a little bit of a flavour of what life would have been like for an ordinary British soldier at that point in given time. So that's what we're all about. That's a very short, condensed sort of story of who I am and what we do. And if you want more and you want to find out about Living History UK and the next festival that we might be doing, then check out our social media links.